Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and also take advantage of the Money Bags Mansion link in the description where I'm going to host AMAs and put out plays like the catfish we're going to talk about today. This is a Money Bag alert. We're going to do some price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video, and check out their socials. The community is live, active in the TG, so that's why this video is coming out. I'm sure a lot of you guys are up as well. We got Bitcoin over 50K. Of course, we're going to be paying attention to the markets, and that's what I was doing. And I found this one right here called Catfish. So never fall in love with a meme coin. This one right here, it's got this. So just got it. You just got catfish. Unlike the deceptive catfish, investing in catfish flips the script. Here, you've been catfish effect works in your favor, offering a rare opportunity where what seems to be too good to be true is actually genuine. Catfish prides itself on a stark realism. It's based on enduring the storms, outlasting the illusion. I like that. To remain the last one standing amidst the market EBB and flow. In the world of fake hype, jeety developers, and false promises, Catfish is your beacon of truth, proving that sometimes a catfish can indeed lead you to the treasure. So what we got right here. The LP is burnt. We got mint revoked. 20 so was the LP. And we're gonna look at this as well on the charts. Like I said, it's moving and it's grooving. It's looking good. LP right now we're sitting at 129, sitting at a $1.2 million market cap. And I mean, what a story of about an underdog. This is that scenario of diamonds or dust, and out of nowhere it just pumps up. And I like this. I went into the TG and I saw this. I seen the community very active. I'm gonna ask that same community, like I said, go crazy so the YouTube algorithm will push this video out and people can see the same thing that I saw. You guys can do that by smashing the like button. We'll get to these charts in a second. Make sure you guys come over here, give them a follow, make sure the bell notification is lit, and it's at Catfish on SOL. To make sure you guys follow the X page. If you're part of the community, make sure you guys engage. We're going to have a lot of engagement. After I make this video, I'm going to make an X post. So make sure you guys also engage on that and take advantage of a sexy looking chart. I mean, the chart's looking crazy. It's time for us to shine and really push on what the developer has made for Catfish and what we're doing as a community. So let's get some support and resistance ironed out right here. And let's talk about, some possible entries, and of course, not financial advice. Do your own research. But right now, we got over a key area that we had. Catfish was trading within this range for a long time, just consolidating. But let's go ahead and mark up some arrows, some resistance, and now we're making support above, and that is bullish right here. This is resistance. This is resistance. Resistance is followed by future support, and we find that support just like we're doing right now. That is bullish, and that's why I came to Catfish, right? I didn't know nothing about it. I just seen it. I looked at the chart. I said, look at this. It broke past this. Even we have one little tap right here, one last time that the price tried to reject it. And in this range right here, because we can see this resistance as well and this support, let's go ahead and mark this out just so you can see how history continues to repeat itself over and over as I mark this chart up quickly, because this is just something that constantly happens. So we can see this resistance breaking above, coming back down, making support, and we're going through that same scenario right now, but actually on a bigger scale, because this was a resistance from the past that was very important, and we consolidated for a while, and now we broke past this. But this is a great example to show you how this happens, how this resistance becoming future support. We can see that support right there. This resistance becoming this future support right now to go ahead and break and chase all-time highs. We're not quite there yet, but we are pushing there. Maybe after this video with the community, all hands on deck, on X, we can create the right type of hype, the warranted hype that this community deserves as an underdog that literally consolidated for a while, and now it just literally ripped up and is making some noise on Solana. And everybody knows I've been saying the Solana chain has been giving me 2021 vibes. I've been telling everybody on this channel that we're not going to wait till Bitcoin hits 69,000 and say the bull market's back. We are in the bull market. The bull run has not kicked off yet, but look at Bitcoin, over $50,000. We're not that far away. In retrospect, with Bitcoin, of course, 19K is not that far away, and something else it would be quite a bit away. But we know that Bitcoin can take off out of nowhere, which it's proven itself right now, and maybe this project can do the same. Let me know down in the comments if you believe Catfish can be one of those projects that takes off and takes advantage of these markets that we have. They are primed. They are primed for some billion-dollar projects to take advantage of all this engagement. So our next target's going to be that 1484, but really it's that 1.5 zone. So, you know, when we erase the 0, then 1.5, then 2, then 2.5, and so forth, and continue. So if we can get above that 1.5 zone, that's going to be very bullish. Let's go ahead and apply the pressure. Let's take advantage of this hype. Let's go ahead and keep pushing very, very strong on all fronts during the day, during the night, and stay active. That's why this video is coming out, because I liked the vibe in there. And I believe when you have a community like that that's pushing hard, and we come back from the trenches like this, it's time to make some noise. So let's go ahead and make some noise. Let's share this video. Make sure you guys continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.